Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a video today on 3 different ways you can wear your head wrap when you don't feel like doing your hair, or when your hair is dirty and you don't feel like washing it yet, or whatever reason you decide you don't want to you want to wear a head wrap. So I'm going to be using this neon fabric head wrap that I got from my local beauty supply store. And we're going to start off with the low, what does he call it? I guess I could call it like the low. And see, you gotta make sure your edges are done, fleek it however you would like, because I'm not sure how you wanna fleek it, but whatever way that works for you. I just do normal swoops because I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how to do all that other stuff, the curvatures and all that other stuff that these girls do. So I don't know yet. Here, and then I'm gonna take these 2 pieces right here, and I'm gonna tie it. Okay, and then you tie it. You can take 1 piece. We could do a crown with this style, but we'll do that one next. And you roll it around your bun. You roll it around your bun, and then you tuck it like this. Tucked, then we do the next piece. You twist it like this, and then you roll it around your bun. So there you have it, that's our first style. Clean, simple, cute, dress up your eyes, do a natural look, do whatever you want with it, but this is cute. You like this one? Okay, so look number 2 is nothing drastic from look number 1. We're gonna just take these apart and take this part right here and twist it like this. And we're gonna bring it across like that. Twist this part as well. And then tuck this part. Have a nice crown. And then we're gonna tuck that somewhere in the back. We're gonna just clean this up right here, so none of the little flyaways are poking out. And then we have a crown look. See? Simple, easy, just take your time, tuck away the little pieces so that you don't look crazy out here on the streets. Okay, last but not least, this is the 3rd style. I didn't want to redo my hair because it's slick and it looks cute, and it's gonna stay like that for the rest of today. So I decided to take a towel, I crumbled it up, I put some rubber bands around it, and I'm gonna put it on top of my head as I wrap it. Okay, because we want that look, you know, the look that everybody gets when they do this style. Okay, we're gonna try and work this out. All right. Usually I just put my hair in the top knot to do this, but we are improvising today because I don't want to have to do my hair over. And tuck this part in. Oh schnookums. Oh schnookums, we got it. We got a little something. Why'd I just poke myself in the eye? And almost took off my whole lash. Because I am a klutz. So. And I just twirl that around that piece that you just seen me use, and then I take this part and I'm gonna go this way. And keep twisting until you're at the end piece, and then you tuck it right here. or wherever it stops at, that's where you're gonna tuck it. It's the look. It's the look.
Here is the results. I am feeling this look. Are you feeling this neon vibe that I'm giving you guys today? If you like what you